there's no chlorine in that spot.
Okay. Here they come. Gotta go around, Bella. Gotta go around. She's hiding from you.
Gotta go around, Bella.
She's hiding from you. She's hiding from you. There you go.
Probably gonna put a hole in it.
What? They'll be alright.
Here they come. I don't think Bella's smart enough to go in.
What?
She's not.
I cut you off in the back.
Oh, geez. Heavy. This is like 32 ounces.
Bella, you gotta go.
Annie.
Annie, no.
I can't even get this thing around. I can't get this thing around.